Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be baking some Zimbabwean cream donuts. So for those who know cream donuts, you're the real deal. Like, how can you not know my Zimbabwean cream donuts? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be using this woman's recipe. Her name's called Fiso, and I'm just gonna try and follow it how it is, and then in the future I'll be changing it, because obviously as a chef you just tend to have that creative side. So yeah, I'm gonna follow her recipe, and if you'd like to see how I'm gonna make this cream donut, please stay tuned. Okay, so for your first step, you're going to put 300 grams of plain flour. I'd advise you guys to sift your flour. And you're going to add 1 egg or 3 egg yolks. And I'm going to use Allison's fast active yeast. And I'm use 2 teaspoons. That's 2 teaspoons. 60 grams of the President butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. And as you can see, I am now adding some water. You will need 2 tablespoons of this, or 50 milliliters of water. 30 grams of granulated sugar, but in my next updated recipe I will use caster sugar and see how it comes out. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is measure 160 ml of milk. Make sure it's lukewarm and not boiling, as it will cook your egg. Okay, so after adding all of these ingredients, mix everything in a bowl until it is all mixed in. Okay, so you know at the start you added 300 grams of flour. You're going to need an extra 100 grams of the plain flour. So in total for this recipe you will need 400 grams of plain flour. So just gradually add that flour, not all of it, as you will need some to flour your clean bench or surface or working area. And just tip that dough out of the bowl and start kneading and working on it until it is not sticky anymore. Look at the flick of the wrist though. Remember, it should not be sticky, so be patient with this kneading process. I did this for about 5 good minutes and I used most of that flour on the bench. So once you've done that, oil your bowl and put that dough in there, cover it with cling film and put it somewhere warm for 1.5 to 2 hours so it doubles in size. Okay, so mine has doubled in size, and all you have to do is flour the surface again and start knocking back that air in the dough. Okay, so I measured 60 grams per donut, so everything was even. What you do is roll the ball into a donut shape that you want, and make sure you keep elongating it to the length that you want and keep smoothing out the sides so the shape is not funny. and just repeat the process. And what you're going to do after this is going to leave the donuts to double in size again for about 20 to 30 minutes somewhere warm. And after that, they'll be ready to go in the pan of hot oil, and just make sure you keep turning them until they have the golden brown color that you want. And this is the process finished, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later.